right, Jefferson, let's wash hands.
It's a program unlike any other.
Cooking Club actually got started here at Sedalia through our occupational therapist. Between her and the SSN teacher and myself, we decided, well, why not make this into something bigger and include more students? So it's been going on for quite a while and has turned into something really special.
Katie Draper is a speech pathologist at Sedalia Elementary.
Number 3, Jackson, you got that one?
And works closely with students of all ages.
We work on speech and articulation, also working with pragmatic skills, so their social skills.
Katie and the staff at Sedalia Elementary have found success by taking lessons that are typically taught in the classroom and moving them into the kitchen.
We talk through the ingredients, we identify the different ingredients, we talk about vocabulary, and we cook, we make recipes, and there's a lot of receptive language, the expressive language, the social skills, problem solving when things don't go right, and we talk about how that's part of cooking. All of that can be tied into a cooking club lesson, and we're doing it right here, and there's meaning attached to it.
Now you're getting some nice little pieces. Look at that, Miss Sticka. It looks like
It really is amazing. Anyone that comes in and watches sees all the areas of language that are touched on in a cooking club lesson, and we could go for hours.
We have some weeds growing up here, so the students will be out here later today to actually weed their beds and also check on the growth of the vegetables.
Sedalia Elementary is known for its sustainability program. Eggs, vegetables, and different herbs can all be found on the school's campus. Many of those ingredients end up in the meals prepared by the cooking club.
Here at Sedalia, we really believe in helping develop the whole child and providing highly engaging and experiential opportunities for them to develop their skills, not just skills, academic skills, but also skills for life. And so the way that we work with the cooking club is just that. We actually help the students grow the food and actually take that food and prepare it and cook it and actually learn about nutrition in the process.
These students are developing language, sustainability, and culinary skills all in a single class. Katie hopes that the combination of these lessons turns into a recipe for success for the rest of their lives.
that was good. How do you rate the ham roll-up? What do you think, 1 out of 10? 10 being the highest.
For washing my plate.
10.
I hope they are taking away some good targets that I have for their language, but I also hope that they're taking away some excitement and a love of cooking for a lifetime.